Hey, today we are going to discuss about how to add Java source code to Eclipse. So many of us are struggling with how to add in the Java code. For example, in Java, if there is a class, a string class is there. So if we want to see what is the source code of that string class or any other classes, like by default classes, there is a lot of we are using system string, print string, IO string, input outer streams. So a lot of by default classes we are using by the from the Java side. So we need to know how to add that source uh, into the Eclipse, because that would be easy to us how they used, how they are writing the code, etc. from the Java side. So that will be easy to us also how to write a standard coding. That is also will helpful to see and learn from the Java coding side itself. So let's do add the source code. So I have opened an Eclipse, and here we can see that we already in my system there is already Java 8 is installed. So while installing itself we can do that, but later point of view we can do adding the Eclipse. So how what we need to do? We need to go to window menu, then we need to click the preference, then we need to go the Java. There is multiple options will be available on the left panel. From there we need to select the Java, then we need to check what are all installed Java. If there is a multiple Java versions if we install in our system, so we can see the multiple JR installed there, and we can also link the multiple JR in the Eclipse as well. In my system I installed Java 8, and that is I linked here. That is the display highlighted here, that is as the Java, and it is in Java C program, C colon program file Java JDK. We need to double click on this. So here it will list a lot of jar files by that is installed as part of the Java installation, and it is these jars belongs to the Java. Okay, then we need to search the jar file that is rt.jar. So we can see that is as a second one. Either we can select all the options. If we select the on, or if we clicking on the rt.jar, we can see on right hand side there is a lot of options are appeared, correct? If you deselect, it will not come. Okay, so in order to, you can see that there is also source attachment is there, as well as external annotations, Java doc, etc. So we are, if we want to, or if we want to attach only the source code, we can specifically select that one as well. So expand the arrow here. Here we can see the source attachment option is there. Select that one. Clicking on the source attachment, this is the location of the source attachment. When we install the Java 8, it will automatically download, automatically will get in the particular space. So we need to select that one. Okay, then click on the finish. Then we have to select the apply and close. So if we create one of the example, for example, I have one package here. We already discussed about, let's see, one string operations data type we already discussed. So there will be array string example is there. So in order to see the string, so string we already talk about, that is this is the one of the uh, data type we can say. So here the string is created in literally. So if we click the control button, there is two options will be highlighted. It's open declaration, open implementation. So for that, in order to get this one, we need to press the control, then mouse over on the string class, then select the open declaration. See, this is the Java source code for the string class. So here we can see that there is a lot of method declaration they have done. This is for, see, this is the constructor, and this is how they coded. Okay, so this is how we can actually uh, attach the source code to the Eclipse. So I think this will be easy configuration, and will helpful for you to attach the source code. If you like this, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.
If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos.